Hello everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Gemma. Today we'll be reading Nickelodeon Rusty Rivets Far Out Friends. Whee! Balthazar gives the bits a bounce. Whirly, crush, and Jack fly into the sky. Rusty is in the air too. They all land safely. But what is still up in the sky? It lands close by. Rusty and Ruby and the bits check it out. I wonder what it could be. Ruby scan it. It is orbit. He is from outer space. He is far from home. Oh my. Can Rusty and Ruby help Orbit get back home? The friends come up with an idea. Rusty turns up Balthazar's power. He will send Orbit home with a big gig. But now Orbit is missing, and so is Jack. Whew. Orbit and Jack are at the playground. Rusty and Ruby tell Orbit, we can get you home. Jack does not want Orbit to leave. Balthazar launches Orbit, but Orbit flies the wrong way. Next, they try a jetpack. It loses power. Jack makes a house for Orbit. He wants his friends to stay. But Orbit must go home. Rusty and Ruby build a shuttle. Ruby has another surprise. She has put a camera on Orbit. Whoosh! Away! Now Jack can keep in touch with his far out friend. Goodbye, Orbit. Thanks for visiting. Goodbye, friends. The end. Thanks for tuning in to Storytime with Gemma. See you next time. And don't forget to check out my playlist. And join us again tomorrow for another upload.